I'm a veterinarian. I have my own clinic in Shimatsudo. Today I want to introduce my clinic vaccination program for dogs. If it helps foreigners pet owner, it's my pleasure. If you have a question, please let me know anytime. My English grammar is not perfect and pronunciation is not correct. Also, I'm embarrassed to perform my bad quality English, but my priority is to make foreigner pet owners comfortable. The vaccination program is designed by worldwide qualified guideline. If your dog is less 4 months, your dog needs 3 times vaccination in first year. This interval between next vaccination is a month. After first year, it passes 1 year from last vaccination. Your dog needs to receive next vaccination. This interval is 1 year. Since last vaccination, next interval is 3 years. This cycle continues. If your dog is more than 4 months, your dog needs to receive 1 vaccination first year only. Since last vaccination, it passed 1 year, your dog needs to receive next vaccination. This interval is 1 year. After that, next interval is 3 years. This cycle continues. Sometimes pet hotels and training shops require your dog's annual vaccination certification. You can choose every year vaccination or hard antibody test. If you choose antibody test, it takes almost 1 week to get result.